What's up, guys? Modern Blitz here. Welcome back. It's been a little bit. So today we are going to be upgrading the taillights. So this is what we're going to be upgrading to. So basically what these lights do is they basically, when they put on the brake, they flash. So we're going to go ahead and put these in, and they're also a little bit brighter, so it should look a little bit nicer when I go to brake. But yeah, we're going to try these out and see how they go. I just found them on Amazon, so we'll check them out. Alright, so with the trunk open, what we're going to have to do is to remove a couple of these pins here, and these pins here, and then this one down here, and there's another one, I believe, over here, and another one up here. And then once we do that, we'll have to move the pin that I pointed out earlier. There should be another one somewhere near here. Yeah, down here there's another one. So we're going to remove all these pins so that we can get to the taillights right here and change the bolt. Alright, so we're going to start by removing this first. Yeah. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the little Phillips head clip holding it in here, and then the bottom one here. And once we do that, we should be able to have access to the headlight. It'll just make it easier. I mean, I can reach in there, but then I have to pull all this back. It'll just be easier just to remove it all. Alright guys, so I went ahead and removed the one clip here, which is down there, and then I removed the other one up here. So what that should do, it should give me room to move this over so I can get to the headlights. And then we're going to go ahead and switch the bulb out, which is just a little guy right here. And then once we get that out, we should be all good to go. To put the new bulb in. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get that started. So I took the bulb out right here. I don't know if you guys can see it really well, but I took the bulb out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the new one in. I'm still going to hold on to these just in case. Alright, so we're going to check and make sure there's not a certain polarity these have to go. So we're just going to plug it in and see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, we got it right first time, so we're going to check and see the other one, but it's pretty bright, so we're going to see how the next one looks, and then after we're done with putting the second one in, we're going to go ahead and check the brakes to see if they flash. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side, remove this bolt here, and the bottom one, and then once we're done with that, we're going to put the bolt in. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start the other side. I know it's a little dirty, so excuse that. This car just literally got rebuilt not too long ago, so I'm still in the process of cleaning everything, getting it all fixed up. But yeah, we're not going to put anything back just yet. We want to make sure both of them work, but we're going to start on this side next. Alright, so this one's all good to go. So now the final test is we're going to check and see if they flash when you brake. They're supposed to, so we're going to check and see if that works. Alright guys, so that's it. I mean, it's not too complicated, but this is basically the new light. If it's flickering on camera, it's just the lens capturing every time the light is moving, but in person it's staying still. But yeah, it looks really good. Can't complain. I think what I'm probably going to do next is upgrade the light that's in here. Yeah, we're going to upgrade that bulb next, so that one's bright too. but they go ahead and flash and everything works out, so I can't complain. So it's a nice little headlight upgrade, or sorry, not headlight upgrade, taillight upgrade. Again, if you need the bulb, I found them on Amazon. It's called Ayla lighting, I believe that's what it's called. I'm bad at pronouncing things, so excuse me. So that's what I think it's pronounced. But it has a 1-year warranty, so if anything happens, you can always take them back. But I thought it'd be a cool bulb. I'll keep you updated on what the outcome is and everything. But there's all the details for you if you need it. Alright, so everything's working. We're going to go ahead and close all this up as well real quick. Alright guys, so this is it. It's all buttoned up, all ready to go. I just got to finish cleaning up the light bulb and stuff here and there. I'm going to clean out this whole trunk eventually then. That's my next task. But it's all closed up. Got everything back where it should be. Yep, everything's all good to go. The only thing I have to put back is this guy. But he just goes right here, so it's not that hard. Thank you guys for watching. I know this is a little short one today, but I'm just trying to get the back end of things since the car is back and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.